Hello, ma. Madam, let's work in Ebola Monsobo before. So, I'm called to ask I'm watching it back. Please, eh?
I'm a mama fan.
Boss lady. Lanya, eh? Udokamma, okay? Udokamma. I want you to listen to me on behalf of Ndene Monti. On behalf of everyone here now.
Can be negative. I don't get that. I don't even get it. I'm talking to someone. I don't. Hold on.
I'm on live section now, Bogilanya.
Excuse me, why are you calling me? For what reason?
Okay, should I call you off camera?
Okay, go ahead and talk. I'm listening to you already. Go ahead and talk. I'm hearing you.
Okay. Lanya, what about people offend people? Enogo? People offend people. So, Obo Makage Dena, in here Basara Ken, Palace of Justice, that young man and go in detention for some time. Okay? I'm not going in detention for some time in Senegal.
Excuse me. Don't allow me to get angry with you. In as much I respect you, I deserve respect from you. How does that one affect me? Do you know what it takes Palace of Justice to drag me for 3 months? The real reputation of my business, my company. He destroyed my name.
But boss lady, let me.
You're not defending him.
No, hold on.
You're defending
him. And what he had a defense, And what he had a defense. What I am doing, I am only apologizing in his behalf. You understand? I am only apologizing in his behalf. So at least people down against as I am to down against. If you've called me before, same Governor Zoku, this thing is not good, and I did not obey you, that is when you will say you will not listen to me. That's when you will say you will not listen to me. And every Nigerian will have a right to come into any matter, try to mediate for peace. This is the way life is.
Okay, listen, Governor Zoku, listen to me. Palace of Justice to find out what they call trauma. What trauma can do to someone's health. When you are dragging a peaceful lady that never for one day talk to you, never for one day call you, you don't know the nature of the person's business. Do you know the social media personality? Do you know how many groups I manage on social media? Do you know how many people that look up to me today? All he said about me, so many people heard it. People are sending me the video every moment, every week via my WhatsApp. And I was like, I don't know who this guy is. I've not seen him before. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Do you know my name was destroyed around my working place? The name that I built for how many years?
I think you're a Christian, right?
By January, I will be celebrating 12 years into travel agency. Excuse me.
Boss lady, I have a question. I have a question for you, boss lady. I have a question for you.
I was on sick bed because of what this guy did. Because many people believe all he posted about me. This is the worst. Do you know how many people that called me around my working place and started doing gossip about me? See what they said about her. It's like
boss lady.
Do you know what people? Excuse me, I went on sick bed for years because of this guy. My mental health was something else.
I am very sorry about that. Nobody like somebody like me.
Completely. This destroyed my business. Now you guys are trying to help. Who is Balak? Excuse me. I want him to defend all he said.
Well,
listen to me. It's not only one. I'm taking many people down. If there's anyone giving him the information, everything will be out on that phone, and everyone connected to that case will be done. I never for one day fight anyone on social media. I never for one day destroy anybody. But you see, Palace of Justice, let it be.
Okay, I want you to just know that I have interest in this matter. Governor Zoku has interest in this matter, and my approach will be, it will be streamed under calm approach, and I want you to consider people like us.
The worst part of it, his fans was in the comment section clapping for him. I went there, I saw ladies like me, Even the one I once gave a recharge card on social media, he was even clapping. Balance of Justice, they're no longer posting about boss lady. Post about boss lady now. Can you imagine the pain I went through? Someone I once helped is even in comment section clapping for this guy. Do you know the pain I went through? I shed tears. That tears, he's gonna shed it. That is it. Imagine someone who helped was busy jumping up and down. He do it every day. His fans will call him in comment section. Then he keep posting about boss lady. Do you know this sort that? Do you know? Can I start posting all the comments? We have everything here.
Don't worry. If you go back there, it can only get you offended. So for me,
okay, that is it. But I have everything. And David, I used to read it once in a while. I would be crying out. A guy that I've not seen before, a guy that I don't know. I don't know him from Adam. I don't know this guy. I didn't want to offend him. What did I do? He destroyed my business. People started looking down on me. People that believe so much in me. They even say, why can't I defend myself? What did they want me to do? I'm not a noisemaker. I only take action. You see people that always keep quiet. Stay away from them. Stay away from them. Imagine how many group I have on social media.
All right.
I created a group for my town on Zobo. Many young girls there are looking up to me. They are all reading the comments.
Boss lady, let me leave you for now. I'll call you back maybe whenever you come. Thank you very much and God bless you. Nah, them matter. More Borogi. And you are busy raising voice. Anyway, I like pleading with people before I will take my actions. This guy came back from outside the country and he was in jail. He has been in prison since Senegal and just came into the country. Every well-meaning human will consider him.